Romi White Auto Repair, fixing a 2014 CLA Mercedes Benz 250. Crashed in the front, replacing the front bumper cover, fenders, headlight, engine splash. You guys stay tuned. Down there, gonna paint these wheels black. We got a little damage back here. Did the first coat of Bondo fiberglass. Getting ready to start shaping it. Usually I skim 2 times and then I prime it. I'm gonna bolt this thing up, man. Get these inner fender liners in. Get this thing ready, prepped, and ready for paint. Romi White Auto Repair. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned to see how this certified technician put these cars together. Don't you? Body work's done, bumpers on and secure. Get ready to paint this thing. Romi White Auto Repair. I got the car put together. Now it's time for water sand and prep and washing real good, waxing, grease remover. And then we're gonna put some paint on this thing and paint the wheels and the dust cover. So y'all stay tuned, man. Nothing to it but to do it. I got the front half put together after it was smashed and wrecked in. Front bumper in secure and sanded. Both fenders water sanded. Got the wheels clean. I fixed the bottom piece down there, the bottom rocker. Had a crack in it. And there were 2 spots on the back bumper that were cracking. I fixed one of them and the other one's drying now, getting ready for water sand. And I'm gonna get this thing painted today. Y'all stay tuned. Getting ready to wash it off real good, so when I'm done painting it, I won't have to do nothing but give it to the customer. Take a good look at those wheels, because when you see them again, they'll be painted. And those dust covers will be red. So we're getting ready to clean it up now, get it ready, prep for painting and tape. Getting ready to jack these wheels up and prep them for painting. Tape up the rest of the vehicle and get it ready for paint. All right, we get most of our paint supplies from O'Reilly's. He just delivered the paint off. And this Mercedes is about done, but all our painting supplies are right here. We get our materials from O'Reilly. O'Reilly. game time. Finna spray these wheels, and I'm finna spray the car. All right, we're wiping it down, getting ready to spray the base coat on it. Getting ready to base it out, spray the wheels, ready to blow those out.
Yeah, I'll be learning to stay in.
Got Slugs wiping it down. If it's any dirt on it, we're gonna blame it on him. If it's any trash in the paint,
Wiping it on T.
2014 Mercedes CLA 250. Did the repairs in the front. It was crashed in the front. And now we're ready to install the windshield. Y'all stay tuned for the finished product. If you guys need any windshields done, y'all can hit up Hispanic Auto Window Glass. They're the best in the city, and they'll get you right. Won't damage your paint or anything like that. They do a really good job. That's their number right here on the shirt. Stand up, let me see your number. Yeah, straighten it out a little bit. Yeah, them guys will put windshields in anywhere. Come straight to you wherever you're at. So y'all shop with them if you need a window. Calibers red, new windshield in, painted the grill black, the brake part is gone, sprayed all wheels black, and she's ready for pickup.